generator. I made a temporary fix to it earlier, and I'm gonna make a more permanent fix. And possibly I buy a new ozone generator at some point. But an ozone generator, that's a big part of my housekeeping, taking care of my home. I use it to kill allergens, neutralize odors, perfume that I'm allergic to. Sometimes there's something that has perfume on that I'm allergic to, and I used to also generate it to neutralize it. And I fixed it the other day with a temporary fix with leather tape and some cigarette filters actually. I was able to temporarily fix it, and this would be a less temporary, still temporary, because the ultimate fix would be buying a new machine. So here we are. This is the also generator. Here's the ozone generator, and this broke as I was tinkering with it. So this is an ozone generator, and these still remain here. This is the temporary fix. So what I did, this really needs a fan to cool it and to disperse the ozone gas. It needs to pull fresh air to be ozonized to the ozone plates, you could call it. So these plates generate ozone. So you need fresh air, unozonated air, brought to the plates to be ozonated, and then you need the ozonated air to be transported and dispersed in the environment. So the fan helps with both of these things. It also helps to cool the machine, because the machine like this generates heat. So after this, I dropped it. Okay, I bought this from Amazon, and I'm happy with it. I don't have any complaints. I bought this ozone generator on Amazon for around $50, and I've had it for at least 6 months in a heavy use. And I've used it a few times, and the first problem with it was I noticed that sometimes the timer wouldn't work, which means it gets caught and it doesn't tick down, so it like stays on and the timer doesn't work. So it's got like an egg timer on the side of it here. So you go like this, put up to 60 minutes max, then it starts ticking down like an egg clock until it goes to 0, turns off the machine. So it stopped working properly, and I opened it with a screwdriver and looked at it, and another problem with it was the fan would be getting friction, so the fan blades would be contacting something, would be giving friction. And I guess it could be the casing here, where the fan blades after dropping, something has been bent, like the housing itself, and we get friction. Then I tested it. You could tell the fan wasn't running at a high RPM, and it was rubbing against something. So I got some cardboard and inched it in between, squeezed it in between the what's it called? This here, and the fan, which pushed it out from the box itself, the box walls, and then the fan could spin freely. Now yesterday it started messing up again, and during repair works the fan blades impacted something, and it knocked out several fan blades. So a temporary fix I did to be able to run it, I ran it in here under the sink actually after cleaning it. So I had a little bit of a cleaning day today where I was doing some products, and I cleaned the under the sink space here, and put in a radiator to make sure it's dry after wiping it down, and then I ran the ozone generator for a few minutes. So what we're going to do now, do a more temporary, a more permanent fix. And before, what I did was get this, and I used tape to tape this on top of it rather than have it on the side. Tape on top of it. And we're going to see what we can fix here. More permanent. So I have a glue gun here, and I hot glue something we can do a lot of things with. To see if I can attach it with hot glue. So here we go. Put it here. Plug it in. Okay. So the fan is spinning, but it's vibrating because it's unbalanced. It's like wheels. We're going to get the wheels balanced because it's heavy on one side. I put some lead weight on one side. So since some of the blades are broken off, here's part of it actually. Here's a broken blade. It's still rotating. And ultimately I could put on the side. Gonna test this. Yes, it could be put on the side. So I could pick. I could put it on this side, or on this side, or on top. Maybe on top of the side. No, it's the side to have it on the side. Yeah. What about put on the side? It might be best. But then we'll test it, or just. Yeah, it works. Okay. So it's going to be a pretty simple fix. It's going to be hot gluing it to the side here. As such. Got my glue gun here. And a glue stick. And this is a little baby glue gun. When I show good ventilation when you work with a glue gun. And if you buy